Sailors TV. Today we have Captain ROK Kenny and Captain Karthik Baswaraj with us, and obviously Suraj also. Today we are going to speak or discuss about the sign-off procedures, what they've gone through. Captain Kenny and Captain Karthik signed off recently. So we are just going to ask them about what is the procedures of signing off. Captain Kenny, I know he signed off from Sri Lanka. So what all procedures he has gone through and how many days quarantine he had in Sri Lanka. These kind of questions we're going to ask, and we're going to get some good answers. Maybe it will be useful for the viewers and other seafarers who are waiting for sign offs. Means who are on board waiting eagerly for a sign off. Maybe they'll get a good information about signing off in Sri Lanka. And Karthi, I don't know. Karthi, where did you sign off, Karthi?
I signed off from Gujarat, Kandla.
Oh, India only. Okay,
Yeah.
that's also different procedure altogether. So okay, we'll have two different procedures. Kenny, where did you sign off from?
I signed up from Gali, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, Gali. Your ship was en route to Sri Lanka, or your ship was diverted to Sri Lanka?
No, we are not diverted. We are on my way to China. So we are carrying onboards on board. So we
Okay,
are about to disembark them. So company planned enough during that time.
Okay, so you are very lucky to sign off in 4 months now, right? Others,
Yeah, very lucky.
people stuck on board for 6 to 8 months also. Even captains are sailing for 8 to 9 months. You're very lucky. Okay. Karthi, your ship was diverted, or you were you came to Kandla for cargo operations?
No, actually, my port of discharge is Kandla. We were for Kandla for discharging. So we have planned for crew change well planned before 1 month ago. So company had planned very good this one planning for sign off, and we have signed off positively from Kandla.
Okay, Kati, what all procedure, you signed off from ship and port health officers must have checked you for COVID-19 everything. Can you just brief us on this? Like what all procedure they had, what is the protocol they follow for signing off?
Yeah, initially they need a 14 days of incubation period, okay? Before getting down from the ship. If they want to arrange crew change, they need at least 14 days of incubation period, that is quarantine period. So they take into consideration which is your last port, like your sailing days at sea. If it is like 14 days or more, then you can sign off from the port of arrival, on arrival of the port, you can sign off directly from the ship. For DG shipping, they need 14 days of incubation period for crew change. Okay, so our last voyage was we were from Jordan. We departed from Jordan, and we have reached Kandla around first week of June. That is, it takes around 10 days of sailing days. So they need additional 4 days in quarantine. So what they do is they come on board and then took COVID-19 test, and we are waiting for the results. Once we got the results, negative results, they took us to the quarantine hospital. Okay, then they put us on quarantine, like a health quarantine for next 4 days, 4 to 5 days. So they make sure
where were you placed, in the hospital or in some hotel?
No, they were shifted to hotel, that is quarantine hotel near port only. It's 30 minutes drive from the hotel, and they put us in the hotel, and it's like for 4 to 5 days in the hotel we have stayed. After we have completed our 14 days of quarantine period, again they took a test, like COVID-19 test, and then once we got the results from COVID-19, then they've applied for DG pass. As you all aware, we need a DG pass. Yeah, as you all aware, we need a DG pass to get sign off, like crew change, whatever it is. So the
RPSL to travel.
Yeah. And the agents and RPSL company, they will upload all the required documents in your e-governance site, that is DG shipping site, and they'll create a e-pass. That e-pass is very well sufficient to show to all the state borders, to cross the state borders. Like our company is planned by road only. So what they do is they took COVID tests for drivers, including drivers. They sanitize the vehicle, and once they got approved from officials, then they've applied all the documents required in the DG site, and they got the approval. So the travel is subject
Like
to
how
approval.
many states you crossed? How many states you crossed in between?
I've crossed, like I've
Like
started from Gujarat. Yeah, I've started from
in
Gujarat.
Gujarat?
So from Gujarat, I need to drop off for two crew in Gujarat, in two places
Okay.
in Gujarat. So I've dropped them off in Gujarat. Then we passed through Maharashtra. Then again we entered to
Goa?
Karnataka. Yeah, Goa. Then we entered to Karnataka. Then from there Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu to Kochi. There are other two crew members with me. They were supposed to drop at Kochi. So they drop me here at my home
Okay.
place, and they proceed to Kochi.
So
It was
you
a
had any
door-to-door
problem
delivery.
crossing the borders?
No, we don't have any problems since we have all documents in our hand, like COVID test report and DG e-pass, and there is an e-pass required to cross the state borders. Like if you're crossing Maharashtra or Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, so we need to create our e-pass for that state. So we need to upload we need to update in the state portal, whatever it is. That's it,
No.
nothing.
One e-pass, like one e-pass which you got in Gujarat, like DG has given you e-pass, that is sufficient for crossing all the borders, right? Or you have to get separate passes for separate states.
No, we have to get separate passes for separate state. That's what I
Okay.
experienced.
Okay.
Maharashtra, no, we don't get any pass for Maharashtra. So just we are transit only. So while we
Okay.
enter into Karnataka, we got an e-pass. Like we have to register in their portal, Karnataka government portal, and we have to get the e-pass from them. And then only we are allowed to enter into the state.
So
And
all
same
these
likewise, Tamil
works,
Nadu. Yeah,
all these works have done by company or you have to get the passes? Like
no,
the
the
when you
DG
cross the
pass.
border.
No, the DG Pass, everything the company will do. The agents and RPSL will do. And
Okay.
for separate states, we need to log in and we need to get the e-pass. That's a simple procedure there. And we need to put in
Okay.
your place of destination and place of origin and where you are going. If you are transit passenger, we need to select the option for transit passenger. If you are
Okay.
going to the state of arrival, we need to put a permanent address there. It's just they want to track the passengers from there, from where they are coming, and how they are
Okay.
coming and what the procedures they are following. That's it. And
Okay.
actually, we
Good.
have provided with two drivers since it's a long drive. It's around a 2,500 kilometers drive. So they have provided with two drivers. They are also tested with COVID-19 test and they got the results also. So their details also they have put in DG site so that if any other third party they came and asked, we can show them. They are the drivers. They already test for a COVID test, so they are clear. So no stoppages, nothing in between from
Nothing.
start point from Gujarat to what a place of destination. No stoppages. It's a continue run just for basic calls, natural calls. They have to stop, and that too for a minimum
Okay.
time. And we have packed. We have packed our foods like let's say for some dry fruits or some biscuits or some fruits. We just packed from the Gujarat. So we just how somehow we managed to get through with some food.
Oh, 2,500 kilometers. It's a
Yeah,
long distance.
it's a long distance, like almost a 40 hours drive, and those people they are
40
reaching
hours. Suraj,
Kochi like they are
it's
like
like
54 hours drive.
dream,
Yes,
dream drive.
Yeah.
it's nice. It's nice experience. Yeah, actually, it's nice experience.
Suraj, you were asking something.
Yeah, I was just trying to joke.
Yes,
Anyway,
Suraj.
we can carry on.
Okay. Okay.
And you
So,
should cut
okay,
that
now
part.
let's come to a later part later. Now let's go to Captain Kenny for like what is the procedure they follow in Gully. Can you please brief us on this?
Yeah, we were planned to disembark. ETA was already conveyed to the local agent. So he was making arrangements from Sri Lanka. So once we arrived at Sri Lanka, Gully, so we are by boat, we are transferred to Gully port. From there, they sanitized our luggages and sprayed everywhere. around all luggages, and there was one vehicle standby for picking up. And
Okay.
from there, we are transported to the hotel for quarantine. So
Okay.
our flights were booked after 5 days. So we were in quarantine in the same hotel for 5 days. So in the same room, everybody was provided separate room. So we have to stay in that room only. We cannot come out of the room also. So for 5 days we are staying in the room. Only food will be provided outside the room. So
Okay.
that food we have to take. If you want anything, we can order separately also. So 5 days we
Okay.
are there. So after 5 days, before that they make a COVID-19 test next day after arrival the hotel. So
Okay.
the result come after 24 hours. So if it is negative, they allow you to travel your flight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you came to India. To which airport you arrived? Like you came to
So
Bangalore or
we arrived
Chennai or
in the Bangalore airport. There was chartered flight from
okay.
Colombo to Bangalore.
Okay.
So it's an international flight. So we arrived in the Bangalore airport. From there, company has arranged for us domestic flights to the
Okay. So
hometown.
there was
So
any
we
test
required
or
a
any
e-pass for
okay, just
no.
sorry to
There was
interrupt. Uh, there
no
was any test
test in
carried out
the
in Bangalore?
international airport in Bangalore.
Okay. Can
No,
you please
no test.
repeat? Okay.
There was no test conducted in the Bangalore airport.
Okay. So straight away
You have
you
to show a
transited
e-pass to
to
come out of the airport or go
oh,
to transfer.
okay.
So that e-pass should be to the place where you are going. From that state government, you have to obtain the e-pass. So once you show that
Okay.
e-pass to the security guards in the airport, then only they allow you to go to transfer to the domestic.
So you have to apply for a e-pass in the airport, right? You applied for it, right?
Yeah, yeah. We're not aware of this e-pass system. Once we arrived in the Bangalore airport, then we applied immediately. So and we got it in almost 1 hour.
Okay, so that also was fast. So, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Then from Bangalore, where did you
To
travel?
state.
How did you travel?
Bangalore, we had a connecting flight to Chennai. From Chennai, we came to Madurai by flight
Okay.
only. After that,
Okay.
we had a taxi to the hometown.
So the taxi also need a separate pass or like what was the procedure?
Yeah, for taxi also, when you apply for e-pass, you have to code the vehicle number in the pass. So you have
Okay.
to get the taxi number when applying for e-pass.
Okay. So the company provided the taxi number earlier
The
only.
taxi we arranged by ourselves. So it's
Okay.
nearby
Okay.
only. So we arranged and we got the number for the taxi.
Okay. So okay. So then you arrived, right? You arrived. You are in home or you are in institution quarantine?
Yeah, yeah. I'm in institutional quarantine now. We came to our district, and in the district border, they made a check for COVID-19. So
Okay.
they told to make be in institutional quarantine for 1 week,
Okay. So
and after
okay.
1 week
So
they make a
now
test again. If it is negative, you can go to
after
home
1 week.
for
Oh,
another 1 week.
so you're still in hotel, right? You
Yeah,
signed
I'm
off
still in the
officially,
hotel.
but it's been 10 days, right? Almost. You're not seeing your family members.
Yeah, yeah. Almost 10 days.
So okay. Well, you paid till arriving India, right? Or till reaching home?
No, we paid till local airport.
Okay, so till Madurai. So for your
Yeah,
in
yeah.
your case, it is still Madurai, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, okay. Karthi, you are in
Yeah,
home quarantine also, right?
yeah,
So
I'm in
it's
quarantine. Yes.
okay. Are they entertaining foreign national crew change also in India? I think it is no because there is no international flights. Only the
The
Vande
international
Bharat
flights
mission
are
is
okay.
going on.
Differing actually for Indians. You know, Indians are there covering like one third of seafarers. They are Indians and Filipinos. They are trying to remove all the Indians when the ship arrives in Indian ports. So that's the thing. Foreigners, no, we don't have any international flight facilities, so it's a doubtful. So maybe from Sri
But
Lanka, maybe from Singapore.
what about Gale, Kenny, where Filipinos also signed off with you?
No,
Filipino?
Filipinos no sign up because there is no international flights or chartered flights from Gully. They had
Gale
in
to.
Philippines. They are starting. They're about to start international flights on 16th of June.
Okay.
We arrived
Okay.
on 14th, so there was no option for
Okay.
the
So
Filipinos.
the flight has to be pre-booked before you sign off. Then only they will allow. The procedure is like that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So
No,
I think.
nothing like that. They can make the chartered flight after you sign off also.
Okay.
Because in
Okay.
our case, before the flight was booked on 18 and it got cancelled. So after that, they
Okay.
booked us for on 20th.
Okay. 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 So okay. The but Sri Lanka is entertaining all nationality sign offs. Correct. It's not only
Yeah, that's
restricted
right.
to Indian or.
If you have a connecting flight from Sri Lanka, they are allowing all nationalities.
Okay. So
Actually,
it's
right
not.
now they have stopped crew change in Sri Lanka. There was an issue with
Yeah.
29 crew members flying from India. So they had been tested positive. When they were tested in India, they were primarily negative. And in 45 minutes to 1 hour travel, when they went to Sri Lanka, it seems that they were tested positive. And it was from a
Oh,
well-reputed company, actually. So anyway, the things are still under investigation. And Sri Lankan commissioner said, they would temporarily stop as of now, and they will be continuing once those things are cleared. And they are entertaining only Sri Lankan crew change as of now. This is the latest update, as I think it is from today's.
Okay. So I think this information is more than enough. I think like this will clear some doubts or whatever doubts in their mind. Like we have covered like two countries signing off from India and signing off from Sri Lanka. I think these are the two countries who are entertaining sign off for Indian nationality. So far, I think so. Maybe
And
US
from Hong
also
Kong
is.
also, you can expect, actually they are started in full
But
fledged, as I understood. And there are,
US also they're starting. I think.
yeah.
US also there is a flight to Doha. Then from Doha you can come to India.
And even Singapore is going to start. So this is going to happen within a span of 2 weeks, if I'm not wrong. So hopefully things are getting better. And they are
Okay,
saying like you
so
can even sign off from Andaman. I'm not clear with that.
Andaman
And
is also India. So the
yeah,
whatever procedures applied here, it will apply there also.
yeah.
Okay, okay. Thanks for watching us. Uh, Stay tuned for more news. Maybe we can get someone who's on board their experience, like signing on experience also we might get. We have some of our friends who have signed on recently, like they've traveled on charter flight also. Maybe we can get them online and we can, same way we can record some video like this and post it on our pages and channels. Expect more guys. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for watching us.